Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you yet another delightful recipe, and this was highly requested by a number of you wonderful people out there. This is my version of flour parsad. So let's get right into that recipe. I'll start here by putting this milk mixture together. This is evaporated milk, whole milk, condensed milk, and guys, this is just my way, okay? You can omit the condensed milk and add sugar, water, sugar, stir up everything together and allow this to keep boiling on a very low heat. You want to keep this at that temperature, so when it is ready to go into the flour mixture, it will be nice and hot. In goes my ghee. I did melt this for a better measurement. Sounds like it has some water in there. And now in goes the flour. And using a wooden spatula or a dabbler, we're going to mix up these two ingredients until it is well incorporated. And now the cooking process will start. This is on a medium heat here. We do not want this to get brown and highly colored, and the rawness is still in here. Right now it is a heavy mixture, but as it starts cooking it gets lighter. And guys, remember, you can divide this recipe or you can double it. If you do not need to make this amount, just divide the recipe in half. As you can see, it is a little bit on the dry side because I need this to move around in the pot very smoothly. So in goes some additional ghee, and the exact measurement will be listed in the description box at the bottom. You do not want a dry parsad. All right, so this is how it needs to be moving in the pot. See, I can assure you that this parsad would not be choking. And you're going to cook this or parch this for 20 minutes. If you choose to get it at a darker color, well then you cook it for a longer time until you get the desired color that you are looking for. Now, I do not like a very dark parsad. I love it more medium brown. Everybody has their preference, and there's another way you can make this parsad. You can cook this parsad or parch this flour dry without the ghee, but I do not like that version of it. I find it tastes like flour pop. Guys, this is just my version of a traditional Trini Flour Parsad. Now you can add cream of wheat if you choose to. You can make this all cream of wheat if you choose to as well. You can even do half and half using this very same method. But mind you, if you are using cream of wheat, it does not require all this cooking. Just bear that in mind. And today's shout out is going out to Tara Lala. You have requested this parsad recipe numerous times, but today is your lucky day. I got a new stove and I decided, you know what, let me make this parsad today because the first thing I want to cook on the stove is parsad. So we continue to cook this. I am working out my arms here right now. This is the consistency you want your flour to be cooking on. It is getting lighter. I can feel it lighter and lighter as I continue the cooking process. Let it be like a cake batter texture. And some flour might be heavier than some. If you think you need more ghee, by all means add a little more, because we do not want any parsad choking us. We need it to be this consistency. If you want to spice this up with other things, you can add some cinnamon sticks in here. You can add nutmeg, but I just like it plain and simple with some cardamom or lychee in here. That is how I saw my parents making it, my aunts and uncles, my cousins, and this is how I know to make it. In with the cardamom or the lychee, you know. You can see the milk is on a low and slow boil there. We do not want it bubbling over. In goes the ginger, raisins. You can add cherries at this point in time if you choose to. You need this raisin to cook and allow it to plump up nicely. And now we're going to add this milk. Be very careful. You may want to ask for help. If it does not bubble up like this, then you are doing something wrong. This is not supposed to be a flat outcome. Look at that, how it's plumping up nicely. If this is flat and not plumping up, then you are doing something wrong. Mix, mix, mix until that liquid dries up. Let me know in the comments below what additional ingredients you use in your parsad. This is not for offering, so I can taste this. Remember, if you are making this to offer, please do not taste before. Just the way I like it. This parsad is not too sweet, it is not dry, it is not too oily. Look at that. Right, and we have my dad here doing the taste test. So tell the people how it tastes.
It tastes good now. Very good.
Okay.
Because I show you to make it and whatever, so you know exactly how to make it.
Alright, well, I hear that. And there you have it. Flour Parsad. Remember, if you like this video, please give me that nice big thumbs up. Leave me a comment at the bottom. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.